How to fix set date and time automatically grid out in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, click on general and scroll down and click on date and time. And here you can see date and time automatically. If it grids out and if you want to fix this problem, then go back and here you can see the option screen time. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can see the option content and privacy restrictions, and here you can see the option lock screen time settings. Now enter your screen recovery. After enter the Apple ID password, then click on OK, and after doing these steps and then click on change screen time passcode and then turn off screen time passcode. After turning off your screen time passcode, your problem will be fixed. Now go back and click on general and then click on date and time and it will not grid out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.